Same issue on Android, your Wi-Fi keeps switching on by itself and it's pretty annoying. But good news, there's a quick fix. In today's video, I'll show you how to stop Wi-Fi from automatically turning on your Android phone. Let's get started. Hey, what's up everyone, I'm Steph, and in this channel, I teach you quick daily tech tips that make your life a little easier. To turn off your Wi-Fi, simply swipe down from the top of your phone and tap the Wi-Fi option to turn it off. This should turn off your Wi-Fi until you manually turn it on again. But sometimes if it doesn't work, simply go to your settings, tap on connections, tap on Wi-Fi. Tap on the gear icon beside the Wi-Fi network that you're connected to. Tap on Forget. This Wi-Fi network setting will be removed from your phone. Then under Available Networks, search for the same Wi-Fi network and tap on it. Enter the password and reconnect to this network. There you go. If this video helped you in any way, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to help this channel grow. Your kind support really means a lot to me. Until the next video, I'm Steph. Take care and bye-bye.